Hello everyone. We are going to start Biology class 12th as per the new syllabus, first chapter, reproduction in the higher and lower plants. So first we'll see the what are the contents they have included in the first lesson. First point is asexual reproduction, second is the sexual reproduction, then microsporogenesis, structure of anatropis ovule, megasporogenesis and the pollination. So first of all, we are going to see the what is mean by the reproduction. So reproduction is the production of young ones like parents. Why there is a need of reproduction? For the continuation in the life and continuation in the species. For that purpose, reproduction is required. And young ones, whatever the young ones has formed from the parent, they are exactly similar to their parents. There are the two methods of reproduction. One is the asexual reproduction and second one is the sexual reproduction. So first we are going to see what is mean by the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction does not involve fusion of two compatible gametes or sexes. Means for the asexual reproduction there is no need of the male and female gamete get fused together. Just if the either of one gamete is present, that a gamete is having the capacity to form the young one, and whatever the from either it is forming from the male gamete or the female gamete, that young one is similar to that organism. So we can here say that the whatever the young ones are formed are the clones of that particular animal, because they are morphologically and genetically identical individuals. It means that they're out from the outside they are looking same as like parents, and as per the genetic code they are also same as like their parents. Next we are going to see what are the ways of the asexual reproduction. First one we are going to see is the fragmentation. Multicellular organism can break into fragments due to one or the other reason. So multicellular organism is everyone is aware about what is mean by the multicellular organism. Multicellular organism means the organism which having the more than one or two cells. So these organisms by some reasons like the flow of water, flow of wind, temperature, because of these such a reasons they are getting broken into the small pieces, but that each small piece is having the capacity to form the entire organism. Here we will take an example of spirogyra. You can see here for the on the left side the entire spirogyra is there, but because of some reason it got broken down into the or broken into as a fragment into the small pieces, but each small piece is having the capacity to produce the entire spirogyra. This is the one. Second one is the budding. Budding is the type of asexual reproduction in which new organisms develop from an outgrowth or bud due to cell division at particular site. The small bulb-like projection coming out from the east is called the bud. So here you see through the diagram, here is a yeast cell, and that yeast cell having a some bulb-like structure or outgrowth, small bulb-like structure or outgrowth, we can call it as a bud. And that bud, or here you can see that the bud chains of buds, so one bud, two bud, three buds, so like this chains of bud is forming. And when these birds are getting detached from each other and also from the parental cell, that each bird is having the capacity to form the entire yeast cell. So this is the one type of the formation of the asexual reproduction, from that yeast cell is producing the new entire organism. Next one is the what? Spore formation. In the spore formation, here we can take an example, Chlamydomonas. So here you can see in the figure, Chlamydomonas is having this what parental cell, and the small the zoospores are there. Zoospore are act as a what the spores, and these small pores, those are having the this you can see that here the lining structure. Okay, that one is nothing but the flagella. With that flagella they are able to locumate. Locumate means what? They are able to change place one from one place to the another. They are able to go from one place to the another place. Okay, so these spores are, when they are coming out in unfavorable conditions, they are coming out from the parental cell, but each spore is having the capacity to form the entire, again, the chlamydomonas. Okay, we have here, we have taken the example of chlamydomonas. So here we have seen the three methods of the asexual reproduction. One is the fragmentation, second one is the budding, and third one is the spore formation. Hope you like my video. Thank you.